In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to download an invoice from Gumroad. First, open Gumroad in your browser and log into your account. If you are a buyer, you can usually access your invoice directly from the purchase receipt email sent by Gumroad after checkout. Open the receipt email and scroll down to the bottom of the message. Here you should see an option called Generate Invoice or Download Invoice. Click on it and Gumroad will open the invoice generator page. Now enter your full name along with your business or personal billing address. After filling in the required details, click the download button to save the invoice as a PDF file to your device. If you cannot find the receipt email, check your spam, promotions or updates folders because Gumroad emails sometimes land there automatically. You can also search your inbox using keywords like Gumroad, invoice, receipt or the product name. If you are a seller and want to review transaction details, log in to your Gumroad dashboard and go to the sales section from the left sidebar. Here you can open individual transactions, view payment details, customer information and related receipts for your purchases and sales. Downloading invoices is useful for accounting, taxes, expense tracking and business records. And that's how to download an invoice from Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.